WAND has developed over 70 different taxonomies addressing all domains of knowledge. Taxonomies covering topics like accounting, environmental, information technology, workplace health and safety, and as you can see, many more. Today we're going to take a brief look at our semiconductor manufacturing taxonomy, which includes metadata models that will address the domains of knowledge relevant to your semiconductor manufacturing documents. The download, delivery, and access to our taxonomies takes place on our WAND Taxonomy Library portal. Each of our clients gets a username and a passcode. Once logged in, you'll be able to go to the taxonomy library, and we're interested in the semiconductor manufacturing taxonomy. What we can do is explore the various taxonomy terms by drilling down this tree. Discrete devices, integrated circuits, materials. By clicking on this, we can drill into discrete devices. Capacitors, resistors, transistors, bipolar junction transistor, fused junction transistor, field effect transistor, ballistic deflection transistor, carbon nanotube field effect transistor, DNA field effect transistor. We are able to now download, say, just the discrete devices branch of the taxonomy. Simply highlight the selected branch, click on Delivery, Selected Branch, and then we need to select the target application from this drop-down. Once selected, we'll create the delivery, and in just a few seconds, the delivery will be ready in our Deliveries tab. This file can then be downloaded directly to our desktop and then imported into your application of choice. It's just that simple. We have a massive library of taxonomies for you to browse, download, and use. And make sure to come back to the library portal often to see our taxonomy updates and import newly added terms into your environment.